Fun.
Let's see what this thing does.
Yep, 1.5 litre turbo. No electric motor, not hybrid, nothing like that. 1.5 litre turbo.
Sounds fun.
Let's go have some fun.
They have different modes and everything.
Yeah.
Hold them.
Very impressive.
Okay. So when you're turning, are you flooring it or you're braking?
No, when we turn, we on the throttle.
Crazy. Moves well.
It handles unbelievably well.
Was not expecting
Yeah,
this at
all
all.
the same. Bro?
Even keeping up with the Swifty.
Not keeping up, catching.
Catching up. Okay. Jeez, that's insane
Nah,
actually.
that's quite crazy, bro. Hey, this is
Hey, we caught the Swift.
Yep. That's crazy.
What? No, that's crazy. Okay, 1.5.
1.5.
Okay.
Hope you gentlemen enjoyed that.
Yeah.
She did.
That's insanely impressive. My
No, it
word.
really is impressive. A lot of people don't expect the car to do what it can do.
Not at all. No.
It's very, very, very impressive.
I was disappointed when you told me about the 1.5.
Yeah, and then you got the picture like, well,
Yeah, damn. It even has a nice exhaust note.
yeah, it's very nice. And you can turn it off if you want as well.
Oh
to
my
make it quiet.
That's nice.